all, we will talk about Kicad tool, which is a schematic and PCB layout tool, a open source tool which can be used for your hobby projects. So, if you open the Kicad, the interface first looks this way. Okay, so now to create a project, we have to go to file, okay, and then click on new project and rename it as Kicad project 01 for example and save it. And if you see, automatically it opens up two files. One is Kicad schematic folder and the other one is Kicad PCB. So when you click on the schematic, you can see the template, everything is ready. Okay, so we will talk about how to edit this template, how to make these changes to the template and all in the future videos. We are just giving an introduction. So now let us close this and then we can also open a PCB, okay, and it opens up a PCB file, okay. So it's making the life of electronics engineer easy, right? You have a Kicad underscore schematic pages created, PCB file created, draw the schematic and import the PCB directly. A very simple tool. So we will talk in detail about this Kicad tool in future. Thank you.